Hello class, welcome to week 3. We're going to do things a little bit different this week for our assignment worksheets. This week we're going to download the worksheet, edit it, putting our answers in, saving, and then uploading them into an assignment submission box. When we get out into the field, we will probably be working with Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, those type of files when we are conducting business. So this one is just a little, you get a little taste of Microsoft Word in this course here, where you get to download, edit the sheets, and then upload them again. The best place to start is with organization. To have a file, to know where you're going to place the file, and not have files all over the place is the best thing to do. So I'm going to place a folder right on my desktop for all of my coursework. To do that, I'm going to right-click, select New, Folder, and I'm going to label the folder UMA. Nice, easy place for me to find my coursework for Ultimate Medical Academy. And then inside of that folder, I'm going to have other folders. So I'm going to create a new folder, and it's going to be for this class, ME 1120. So I am all set to download my files. I have a place to put them when they're downloaded. So I'm going to go to my course. I'm already in week 3. I'm going to scroll down to the week 3 assignment, and I'm going to read the instructions. So I'm going to download the worksheet to my computer. I'm going to open the document and click Enable Editing at the top of the page. I'm going to complete the worksheet by answering the questions in the spaces provided, using the textbook provided. And remember, for multiple choice questions, you only choose one answer for the multiple choice. You can also view instructions on how to save your completed worksheet, and then you would submit the completed worksheet to the assignment submission Dropbox. So, first step, download the worksheet to my computer. Now I'm using Google Chrome, and it places it down here at the bottom for me. Or, if I am in Firefox, there's normally something around the top bar, maybe a little arrow. But there are a couple places where I can find where my worksheet downloaded. I can either click here, and I can go to Show in Folder, or I can open the document right where it is, or I can go to Downloads, and look, there's my assignment. So now it's in the download section. I want to move it to the folder where I have it saved. So I'm going to cut the document. I am going to go to my desktop, go to the folder, my UMA folder, go to the class that I want to place it in, ME 1120, right click, and paste my assignment worksheet. And it's already there. So, going back to my desktop, I'm going to ME 1120. I'm going to the week 3 assignment worksheet. Waiting for Word to start up. Sometimes it does take a moment. I see the yellow bar at the top, so I'm going to read it, and then I want to enable editing. And I'm ready to answer the questions. I will go through the worksheet. I will read the title of the section, and I will see what it's relating to. I can check in my textbook where that section is. Telephone equipment. I will look in that section and choose the best answer. Now remember, it says only select one. So I'm going to select one, and maybe, oh, I think this one is the better one. Oh, but I only select one, so I need to go back and click the button, click the choice to make sure it's not selected. And the other ones are multiple choice except for question 3, And I believe for week 4, all of them are multiple choice. And then in week 5, there's another where you have to type some of the answers in. So I can type my answer in here. And then so on to answer the question. And for number 3, I'm looking for the list 5 tasks mentioned in step number 17 for answering the incoming calls. So that's where I'm going to go, to step number 17, and answer each of those 5. When I'm ready, I'm going to save my document. I'm going to get out of my document. And then just to make sure that I have the right one, I'm going to open it up again. And I know that I typed in question number 3. I typed in answer 1. So my answer's there. I can get out of it. I'm good to go. I'm going to go back to the course when I'm ready to submit. I'm going to click on the assignment. I'm going to scroll down to browse my computer. And for browsing my computer, I'm going to go to my desktop where the folder is. I'm going to go to UMA. I'm going to go to the course. And I'm going to click the assignment worksheet that I have saved. And hit open. And I can see that it is there. It is all set, ready to go. The only thing I need to do is scroll down a little bit more and hit the submit button. And my assignment is submitted for week 3. And you would do that as well for week 4 and week 5. Also, did you know that there's another place to go for help? Once you can go from the home page to the Student Success Center, and there are videos for how to navigate my computer, downloading Microsoft Office, tips for motivation, time management, your graduation, and your career. So please, use all the resources that you have here at UMA. We are here for you, and I will also put the number in case you run into trouble with downloading Microsoft Office, where you can contact tech support or your advisor to help you through that process. Also, on the Learner Services, the Student Success Center page, how do I contact UMA if I have questions about my computer, internet access, online classroom login, or software? Oh, right there. Tells me right there on frequently asked questions. I can contact my advisor at the number listed or the student help desk. After hours, you can reach out to the 24/7 support UMA at 855-TECH-UMA, and that's 832-4862. Hopefully these tips will get you all ready to go for week 3, 4, and 5. Let's get ready to go.